So I was doing some breaker box maintenance, and I'm tightening up the lugs to reduce arcing and reduce any chance of fire or accidental nuisance breaker tripping. And I am totally shocked by how loose these connections are. Look at this. Look at that. Still going. Wow. So that's the importance of doing regular electrical maintenance at your house. Here's for the well pump. Let's see how loose that is. Yep, that's loose too. Look at that. Because what happens is over time, the connection heats up and cools down. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. So what happens is the well, or the breaker connection, electrical connection, heats up and cools down, heats up and cools down, and it actually loosens the threads. In over 20 years or 15 years, you have a loose connection, and then you could have a fire if the breaker fails to trip, or you'll have a nuisance breaker tripping. Anyway, bye.